Hello friends, today I'm making a very special cake for a very special person. It's my take on a pinata cake in a hookah shape. So let's get started. This is white compound chocolate. Chop them small and melt it in the microwave. Do keep a sharp eye while melting the white chocolate. Add any gel color of your choice. I am using golden yellow. Give it a good mix. Depending on how dark or light color you want, add the gel color accordingly. This is a round silicone mold. Pour your prepared white chocolate and roll it all over to give a thick enough coating at the edges so that it comes off easily while unmolding it. Remove the extra and refrigerate for 10 minutes or so. It's ready for the second coating. Scrape the extra with the help of a knife and refrigerate again. Now getting on to make the other parts of the hookah. For the disc, I am using pink colored melted chocolate. Pour it over the butter sheet as shown. For the cup, I am using the cupcake liner. Pour the melted chocolate and let it set to get a nice thick walled chocolate cup. Do the second coating to the cupcake and refrigerate for 10 minutes or so. Unmold it now. Unmold the chocolate dome carefully. Make one more of it. Now take the chocolate sponge cake and cut the edges so that it fits in the chocolate dome. Layer the cake with chocolate cream and chocolate shavings. Level the dome finely with the chocolate cream. Here is the other half. Now getting on with some fondant work. Making the neck of the hookah, which will hold our chocolate disc and cup. Make small balls of equal size and secure it in a long wooden stick. Fill the cake with goodies of your choice. You can put any surprise element you want. So, when the hammer hits the pinata, the surprise comes out. Take a heated pan to melt the edges of the second dome so that it sticks on and fits well over the cake-filled dome to form a perfect ball. Press gently to seal the two ends. You can add extra chocolate to do so. Make a small hole on top with a hot screwer to allow the neck of the hookah to fit in well. Put another block of fondant to hold the disc and cup. Make a hole in the disc and cup. With the help of melted chocolate, stick the parts of the hookah. Fill the cup with chocolate shavings. Secure the whole structure by putting melted chocolate on the cake board so that it doesn't slide over. With the help of fondant, give all the minute details to make our edible hookah pinata cake a super duper real look. And it's done!